I found something really interesting, a website that gives you access to ChatGPT's premium features for free. You get models like GPT 5.5 and GPT 5.4 mini, along with thinking mode, web search, and even GPT Image 2 for image generation. Let me show you how to access all of it. First, head over to the website and create an account. Once your account is ready, you'll receive a 7-day plus subscription. After that, you'll either see a Plus member perk pop up at the top of the screen, or if it doesn't appear, tap on your profile icon and select Extend Plus with a code. Now enter this code and click Redeem. Next, add your payment method to activate the offer. Once that's done, your Plus subscription will be activated. From there, you'll be able to use the available premium ChatGPT features. And if you invite 7 friends, you can extend your subscription for up to 2 months. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.